Men's physique is one of the fastest growing categories in bodybuilding. Unlike traditional bodybuilding, here the focus is on aesthetics, stage presence, and overall fitness rather than just muscle size. In India, the ICN I Compete Natural competition is becoming very popular, and today, we'll break down how it works, what the rules are, and how you can participate. What is men's physique? Men's physique is judged on symmetry, muscle definition, conditioning, and confidence on stage. Competitors wear board shorts instead of trunks, and the goal is to present a lean, athletic, and aesthetic look. About ICN India. ICN stands for I Compete Natural. It's an international bodybuilding federation that promotes drug-tested competitions. ICN India organizes shows in major cities like Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai across the year. The categories usually include beginner, for first-timers; novice, for athletes who haven't won before; open class, for experienced competitors; pro class, where top athletes compete for pro status. Rules and judging. Judges score based on proportion, balance, and stage confidence. The mandatory poses include the front relaxed pose and back pose. Competitors are expected to smile, show charisma, and engage with the audience. Unlike bodybuilding, extreme muscularity is not rewarded here. Athletic aesthetics take center stage. How to participate? If you want to compete, the process is simple. You need to register through ICN India's official website. Entry fees vary, usually between 5,000 to 10,000 depending on the category. You'll need to provide ID, fill in the forms, and sometimes submit to drug testing. Competitors should prepare months in advance, focusing on diet, training, and posing practice. Preparation tips for athletes. Preparation for ICN men's physique competitions is not just about lifting weights. Athletes usually go through a structured plan that includes strength training, cardio, and most importantly, diet. The final few weeks, called the peak week, focus on water management, carb loading, and posing practice. Many competitors also hire coaches to guide them through nutrition and stage presentation. If you're serious about competing, starting your prep at least 12 to 16 weeks before the show is highly recommended. Other competitions in India. Alongside ICN, India also hosts other big fitness shows like Sheru Classic, Mr. India, and Muscle Mania. Each competition has its own rules, but ICN stands out because of its natural, drug-tested format. So, if you've ever dreamed of stepping on stage, men's physique competitions like ICN India might be your chance. It's about more than muscles, it's about confidence, discipline, and showcasing the best version of yourself.